So welcome back to the channel. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro JPY. So first thing first, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. And also make sure you stay updated by following the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, if you take a look at this Euro JPY, you can see that we are ranging, right? This is the trend. But the main trend says that we are trending to the upside. So we have the main trend and we have the current trend, right? So the main trend is the full bigger picture, which is market trending to the upside. This is the full bigger picture now. Euro JPY, we are trending to the upside. But when you zoom it in and see what market is doing currently, that means we are current. This is the current trend, and market is ranging. So once market taps this resistance, we had the rejection that made it drop to tap our support. The market was able to come to tap our resistance, then rejected back to our support. Market then came back to tap our resistance and then it dropped back to our support level, right? Market then was able to come back to tap our resistance and now it dropped to our support, thereby breaking below. So we can take a look at this to be a false breakout. So we can see this as a false breakout, right? So our next movement on EURJPY should come back to give us a bullish move and come back to a level of 182. Currently, we are trading at a level, we are trading at 181, right? That is what market is currently doing. Market is currently trading at 181. So we should be expecting a bullish move and it should come back to tap a level of 182. That is what you should be expecting next. Now on the forward time frame now, you should participate for one movement like this, one more bullish move, and it should touch a level of 182. That is should be our next level, right? So once market touches a level of 182, I'm going to give you guys an update and let you guys know what you should be expecting next. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.